Supreme Court ruling overturning safer at home means employers may be asking their employees to get back to work. So what does that mean for those who still have a health care concern or lack child care?
Madeline O'Neill is live outside Wisconsin's Department of Workforce Development on how this affects unemployment benefits. Maddie?
Well, since the Supreme Court ruling, DWD has been getting questions like, is the 1 week waiting period and that work search requirement still waived? Well, they are, but it's important to note that if your workplace is asking you to get back to work, generally that means you're ineligible for unemployment benefits. With the state's safer at home order gone, businesses in many counties have the green light to reopen. So is getting back to work an employee's only option? According to the Department of Workforce Development, if an employee refuses their employer's offer to work, that brings about an eligibility issue for unemployment benefits.
We need to see if that work refusal would be for good cause under the law.
Unemployment Insurance Division Program and Policy Analyst Emily Savard says the DWD will determine what qualifies as good cause on a case-by-case basis.
This is all brand new for us too, but typically in situations where there's some sort of medical issue, we would require some sort of a doctor's note or a medical excuse. We haven't had as many situations that I know of or can speak to regarding somebody simply not feeling safe.
That may be the case during the pandemic if a worker feels uncomfortable returning. Savard recommends they document interactions with their employer.
If a claimant's denied, they have the right to appeal the determination. I'm sure that will go up to the higher courts, and I'm sure that we'll have some sort of precedent-setting cases.
For those still waiting to get their unemployment claims approved, Savard says even if they're back to work by the time the claims are addressed, workers will receive all back payments they're entitled to, federal pandemic employment compensation included.
I can't even ask for patience anymore because people have been very patient, but all I can really say is we're doing the best that we can.
For those whose concern is child care and not having that available to get back to work, DWD recommends filing for the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance that federally, because to be eligible for the state regular unemployment, you need to be available for full-time work. DWD has been taking applications for PUA. It is still working on rolling those payments out. It is also still in the process of setting up that 500-person call center to help relieve that really high call volume they're still getting.
Maddie, thank you.